I've started here on my workspace. Usually when you log into Chip for the first time, you get your own workspace. And this means that only you can see the apps that you build. But what if we want to include our team members in our chats? If you have a team plan, you can go here on settings. On the left, you can see your team. So for example, here, this is a private workspace. So I only have one seat to be used on this specific plan. So I want to make sure that people in my Know Me workspace will be able to see my chips in this specific workspace. And as you can see, the difference here is that there are more than one seat that I can invite people to. So the way that this works is that you just type in the email of the person that you want to invite, you send an invite, and they will get an email with the instructions to join this workspace. After they do that, I'll be able to modify their role, so I can make them an editor, I can change their access, and they can see everything under this shared workspace. So when they come to the apps on this workspace, they will see everything I have here. Again, it doesn't mean that anything in here in my private workspaces will be shared with them. It will only mean that they can access the specific shared workspace that I've shared with them. This is very good for apps that you might want to build by yourself. If you want to try out something or build something, play around, only have it visible for yourself instead of sharing it with your team or clients. You can just create a new private workspace here. Let's say this would be like sandbox. This is where I play around. I create my new apps and I can add them here, create all the apps I want, and I can then later on transfer them to the team plan.